What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Round 2 at Melton Hill. Last time I had absolutely no freaking luck. Lying. I caught like 6 or 7. It's just, I'm used to saying I had no luck. But we're going to get out here on the water. We're going to try to hurry up because there is a nice gentleman, very nice gentleman, that is trying to get his boat out of the water and everybody else trying to get in the water because it's the first absolutely gorgeous day we've had in like a week. Got some overcast, feels really good, about 72 degrees. It's nice. Hopefully the fish are biting. I got my depth finder ready. Oh, we're gonna catch us some fishy. Or, well, I hope we're gonna catch some fishy. Yeah, we're gonna see how that goes because I kind of suck at fishing. See you on the water. Got him. Not a keeper, not a big one at all, but I got him. Oh, well, don't mess up my bait now. I'll be, the Googan baits actually work, go figure. Huh, I had to dead stick it. Man, he's cold too, wow. All right, little buddy. Wow, the Googan baits pulled through. All right, way to go, Googan. I'm actually impressed. Okay. That was awesome. Wasn't a keeper, but it was awesome. I caught him on if you guys can see here, this little tree right here in the back pocket. Everybody else is still working secondary points. I decided to come inside the back of this and I'm just kind of dead sticking it now. I was doing a shaky deal. Well, let's see, let's go more toward it. But I threw that in there and I've been kind of working it, you know, but I wasn't getting any bites. So then I decided just to let it sit there and see what happens. And well, there was a fish. Here's another one. Oh, that's a better one. That must be a small jaw. Must be a, nope, it's a largemouth. It's a largemouth. It's not a bad one. Oh, she spit it right when I... Oh, we gotta get her back in quick. Huh. Okay. Well, there's another one. Oh, a little fatty. Little... Oh, put my rod down here. Little fatty. Look at it. Look at her. Little fatty. Thank you, big girl. I appreciate it. Go make babies. Man, Googan baits is kind of pulling out the wind here. Yeah, that last fish I was reeling in and I was like, where's my lure? I didn't feel bottom contact at all, so I never even felt her pick that thing up. Like my line didn't jump, nothing happened. It just, I reeled down and caught up with my bait and felt pressure. That's literally how I felt the bite. I felt nothing other than that, like not a zilch. Got one, got one, got one, got one, got one. Stay pinned. That's a small jaw. I can tell by that. Wow. All right. Well, of course, I hit the rod. It threw my worm finally. Alrighty. Man, Googan baits, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty skeptical about these things. They've proven their worth, that's for sure. Man, he was pegged. He wasn't coming out. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that fish is. I love smallmouth. She fought so hard. Oh, goodness. Thank you, baby girl. I appreciate it. And away we go. Oh man, that was awesome. Wow, she fought so hard. Googan baits though, man. What do you know about some Googan baits? Go Googan. Seriously, go Googan. Wow. All right, I'm gonna get another one rigged up and try on this tree again. Maybe there's some more there. We can hope. I was right, it's tiny, but put up a heck of a fight. Man, I'm catching, these cookie cutter bass today are pretty fat. I love it. Absolutely love it. Back you go. So far. Only thing I don't like is that the dam below me is, you know, throwing out tons of current on the other side, so I can't sit still. That's the only thing I'm not liking, but that's all right. And I can't power pole down. Well, power pole, I can't put my pole down because everything over here is solid rock. But wow, man, I am impressed. Wow. All right, back to fishing. Yeah, buddy, jigfish. Really? So the jigfish is what catches the small one? Okay. I was jigfish. That's a jigfish. How is that a jigfish? Oh well. All right, so I've been throwing this for a minute. We're gonna go back to the shaky head. And shaky head it is. All right. Stop it. All right. There's an, oh, you guys are all sideways after that hook set. All right, so there's another one. All right. And just splash water all over myself. There we go. No, that was a, man, all these fish are fighting so friggin' hard. All right. Got it. Whew, little bee fella. Well, the trick worm bite has been dead for a little while. I switched over to my jig and got a bite. So hopefully that's wasn't just a dumb fish. Huh. A raccoon. This dead raccoon actually distracted me, and I stopped working my jig and got hung up. Old trash pandas. Who doesn't love a trash panda? Well, I mean, Loving a trash panda is one thing. Loving a trash panda in your house is another. Oh no. Nope. Hung up in a tree. Hung up in a tree. Hung up in a tree. Stop it. Don't you do it. No. Got him. No. Stay down. Oh, that is a better female right there. That is a much better female. No. Oh, of course, I rat nested. Trying to. I mean, she's not big, but God, look at the quality. She's chunky. I like them big. I like them chunky. Sorry. All right, back you go. Whew. Now that might be it though, because I just rat nested the crap out of my thing trying to open up my bell. So, it's been 2 days. As you can tell, I'm no longer on the lake. I'm back at the house. And what surprised me most about the other day when I went fishing was the jig caught all the small fish except for that last one. It caught almost all of the small fish. And normally it doesn't happen that way, especially with that jig that I use as my confidence bait. But the biggest shocker was the Slim Shake. Guys, I'm here to tell you right now, I am not sponsored, I am not pro staff. Those guys have no idea who I am. I'm just an ex-pro wrestler and they don't know me. But that thing saved my fishing trip. I threw rattle traps, crankbaits, I threw chatterbaits, I threw everything under the sun until I threw on the Slim Shake from Googan Baits. And I'll be honest with you, I was like a lot of people. I was very skeptical about their baits, and it held up. I only had to go through 2 out of all the fish I caught that day, and I had to remove fish because I just caught too many. And that's not even a joke. That's a good day of fishing. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe, all that jazz. I'll catch you guys on the next video.